What's happening, YouTube? Alright, so the car's running. Let me just show you what's going on in here. So everything's back in there. New valve cover gasket on there. Got a bit of a problem with the coolant leaking out of this hose down here. You can see it. Anyway, so got to fix that. Other than that, it's pretty good. So it's running all fine. Funny thing is, I got all the head back on. It was still running really rough, and I'm like, shit, what's happening? Plugged it into the computer, and I was getting misfire code. Right, I had all new spark plugs in it. Anyway, try to swap the spark plugs out over, and I did, but I must have stuffed up because the error stayed in the same cylinder. Anyway, I ended up fiddling around with the injectors and just everything else. Even thought it was the timing. Took the valve cover back off. Timing was fine, and I just decided to grab a spare fuse from that car in there. Spare spark plug, chucked it in, and she ran fine. So just went and bought some new spark plugs today. Sorted all that out. Anyway, let's have a listen. So it's still really loud, but it's running. It's 230,000 kilometers on the actual engine itself. It has got like a loud rattling noise though. And that worries me. That makes me think it's knock or something, but you know, revving it up, it doesn't seem to sound like knock. Revs up really smooth and everything, so that knocking noise stops too when I rev it, so I doubt it's knock. Feel like it could be the vacuum pump. Was a bit shitty, the vacuum pump, might need a new one. I know my CCV's fucked, got a new one coming in the mail. Also getting new brake pads and bump stops and brake discs. These ones are bloody destroyed, I don't know if you can see that. Massive problem though, all my tyres are fine. And I feel like these must be cheap wheels from China or something, but these have cracks all through it, like they've welded it up. I don't want to go get 4 new tyres, so I'm going to try and weld that up and see if I can stop the leaks, but fuck, it's not fun to find something like that. But hey, the car's running now. Sounds like a diesel almost, but I'm happy. Like, only paid $1,400. That was for the tow truck in the car, but put a bit of money into getting this car back on the road, but we're getting onto the road. It's not even on the road yet, but hopefully soon. Yeah, anyway, that's the update for you guys. If you have any ideas what that ticking noise is or that knocking noise, I don't know if that's just the engine or, yeah, well, let me know. 240,000 Ks on the clock anyway, so if that's happening with your car, similar Ks, just let me know. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.